Hello students, welcome ulit. So, continue tayo with problem number 11. So, for problem number 11, ano ba yung meron dito? Integral of cosine x. Actually, more or less the same to sa kanina, no? Yung number 8, cosine 6x. So, meron tayong half angle dito kasi notice cosine 3x. Notice, dapat kasi as much as possible, the value inside the ibang parenthesis natin yung cosine, ito, should be the same. So, it's either we will make this one into cosine 6x or we will make this one into cosine 2x. So, I think ang possible lang is ito, pwede natin itong gawing cosine 3x. So, hanap tayo dito, half angle, no? So, saan ba dito? I mean, double angle pala. So, double angle. So, from this one, ano ba to? Cosine. So, ito, ay hindi, I think, ang magandang gamitin is ito. Diba? Ang cosine 2 theta or ang cosine 6x magiging cosine theta or cosine 3x. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, actually, ito din yung ginamit natin sa problem number 8. You can actually check the previous videos. Yan. Sige. So, with this, I can write, I can change cosine 6 theta with 2 multiplied by cosine 3x square minus 1. Okay? And then notice, this is now easy because we can actually, we can actually separate this one into two terms. Minus 1 over cosine squared. Now, 1 over cosine based on our hexagon is secant. And then secant squared, we actually have an integral of secant squared. So, the second term is already okay. Now, the problem here is the first term. However, notice the first term, you can actually cancel out both cosine x, diba? So, this will cancel kasi they have the same term. I mean, the same exponent and base. So, So, I can actually cancel this one out. This one, and then this one, which makes it a constant 2. And then this one will be changed from cosine to secant. And then it will be here on the numerator side. Okay? So, we now have a function which is very easy to solve the integral. Okay? From this one to this one. Okay? Sige. So, I can proceed now. So, integral of 2 is 2x minus integral of secant squared based on my answer here. That's actually tangent x. So, tangent x. Oh, sorry. That's 3x plano. So, since 3x yan, we need to have, so this is tan 3x. So, we need to have an integral, what do you call this? A neutralizing factor na 1/3. Okay, so 1 over 3. Okay, and then plus c. So, I think that's it. Yeah, I think this is it. So, let's try to check the answer in our book answer key. Number 11. Yep, same lang. Sige, so same pa din. If you have any questions or clarifications, please do not hesitate to comment down below. Salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video natin, which is problem number 12.